Next question is the sum of the surface area of a rectangular parallelepiped with sides x, 2x and x upon 3 and a sphere is given to be constant. Surface area of parallelepiped plus sphere together is constant, and you have to prove that the sum of their volumes we have to minimize. Okay, and that will be minimum when x will be equal to 3 times the radius of the sphere, and then you have to also find the minimum value of the sum of their volumes. Okay, right. So for this now I have assumed let the radius of the, क्योंकि side तो उसने already आपको mention करी थी, parallelepiped के dimensions given थे. For sphere we have assumed the radius to be r. Okay, so let r be the radius of the sphere. तो हमें क्या given था कि उनके surface areas का sum constant है. तो surface area of sphere क्या होता है 4 pi r square if r is the radius. Parallelepiped, what is a parallelepiped? It's a kind of cuboid only. Cuboid में rectangular faces होते हैं. Parallelepiped में parallelogram will be the faces. Okay, the faces are parallelogram in shape. थोड़ा tilted type का होता है. That's it. So formula basically will remain the same. उसके भी आपके 4 walls top and base होगा. So like you have the surface area of a cuboid is 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. So same formula for parallelepiped also, children. Okay, because it's actually a box only. बस only the difference is कि क्यूब में स्क्वायर फेसेस होते हैं, क्यूबॉइड में रेक्टेंगुलर फेसेस होते हैं. इन पैरेललोपाइपेड you will have parallelogram shaped faces. That's the only difference. Okay, so this is volume of, not volume, surface area of your parallelepiped, children. Okay, 2 times LB BH LH. Okay, 3 dimensions आपको ये given थे, x, 2x and x by 3. So you can simplify that, sum it up. That's in simplified form coming as this. Okay, so the total surface area of the parallelepiped is coming out to be 6x square, and this is surface area of your sphere, and their sum was told to be a constant. Okay, this relation we'll use for replacement. Then we had to talk about the volume of these two together. The volume of parallelepiped, length into breadth into height. That's the volume parallelepiped का. Plus volume of sphere we know is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, अब इसमें r and x 2 variables चल रहे हैं, तो either आप x replace कर लो या आप r replace कर लो. Anyhow you can do it, comes to the same. So I have replaced r here with the help of this relation, of course. कहाँ गया? This one. Okay, so either यहाँ से आप x square को निकाल लो या r square को, anyhow it will come to the same. I have for this time done, I have replaced my r. So r square यहाँ से कितना आएगा? k minus 6x square upon 4 pi. ये r की वैल्यू थी, and square root आएगा because this was r square. So upon 2 आ गई पार, 1 by 2. And ये cube था तो 3 by 2 पार आ गई total. I hope it is clear. Okay, so that's your value of r, and this is cube. Now this whole function is in terms of x, so you will next differentiate this. So dv by dx, derivative of this is quite clear. 3 and 3 is getting cancelled here, and इसमें थोड़ा you'll have to focus. function of function है, ये constant as it is. 3 by 2 पार आगे आ गई, पार होगी 3 by 2 minus 1, that becomes half, and then फिर इसका derivative multiply होगा, तो k upon 4 pi is a constant. इधर से आएगा minus 6 upon 4 pi, and x square का derivative 2x, so this becomes minus 12 upon 4 pi x. फिर आधे से ज़्यादा चीज़ें आपकी सब cancel हो जा रही हैं. You can check out your calculations, and this is what you end up getting from here. Okay, then for maxima minima you'll equate this to 0. Now rest is your calculation. आप पहले इसे उधर ले जाओ फिर cancel करो. मैंने सब साथ में cancel कर लिया. We had x square here, we had x here, so I've cancelled out that x here itself. Okay, and 2 भी common ले लिया है बोलो, या cancel कर दिया है throughout this whole equation by 2 because we had a 0 the other side. या आप इसे पहले उधर ले जा लेते. You can manage your calculation as you find it convenient. So I end up getting x is equal to 3r. ये वैल्यू r की थी बेटा. ओके, ये जो पूरा आ रहा है देखो, ये एक्सप्रेशन r है. ऊपर इस रिलेशन से r निकालो अपना. इट विल कम आउट टू बी k minus 6x square upon 4 pi अंडर रूट. तो ये पूरा वैल्यू इज ऑफ r. सो 3r आ रहा है यहाँ से, एंड यहाँ x बचा था. सो x इज इक्वल टू 3r. ऑल राइट, फाइन. fine. Now differentiating, we have to find maxima or minima. So for that, the first order derivative that we had got, we will differentiate that once again with respect to x. So it will become for x minus 6. again इसमें function of function करना पड़ेगा, तो product rule भी लगेगा. Okay, you need to focus a little bit क्योंकि बड़ा expression है. So minus 6 scalar I have kept outside. Then under differentiation of 1, x is 1. This will come as it is. Then in the second go, x will come as it is and derivative of this whole. तो half पार आ गई, then minus half होगी पार, तो reciprocate कर दिया है मैंने. And then derivative of this which is minus of 12x by 4 pi. Okay, खुद कर लेना, ये हो जाएगा आपसे अपने आप. Okay, now this if you evaluate further to check its sign, it is coming out to be clearly positive. See, I have written this in terms of r. We had got the relation already, x is equal to 3r. तो x की जगह 3r रखा, तो ये टोटल 12r आ गया, क्योंकि यहाँ से ये एक्सप्रेशन मेरे को r का मिल रहा था. ओके, सो दिस बिकम्स minus 6r. ओके, एंड दिस फर्दर इफ यू सॉल्व, देन दिस होल was expression for x square. Okay, what we have to in turn get is, आप इसको फिर लेटर आप r के टर्म्स में लिख सकते हो. द मेन थिंग इज वी हैव टू डिसाइड द साइन. सो बाय सॉल्विंग इट टिल हियर नाउ आई एम वेरी मच क्लियर. यहाँ कहीं नेगेटिव साइन नहीं है, r नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता, x नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज दे आर डिनोटिंग डायमेंशंस. सो कहीं भी नेगेटिव साइन नहीं है, तो ये पूरा एक्सप्रेशन इज श्योरली पॉजिटिव. ओके, सो सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव पॉजिटिव implies a minima. That is what you had to do. And they had also asked you to find what will be that minimum value, volume. तो वो आप खुद करोगे अब. Okay, that leftover part you can complete yourself. We have got this conclusion that when x is equal to 3r, then the volume is coming out to be minimum. All right, so just put in this whole expression of v that you had formed, you put this relation and then find your minimum volume. All right, that much you'll do on your own.